Our chapter, Subject of Formula or Formula Manipulation. The aim of this lesson is to solve problems involving formula manipulation or subject of formula. Objective: at the end of this lesson, students will be able to express an unknown explicitly in terms of other unknowns and variables. Pre-requirements: students must have a prior knowledge of linear equations, binomial expansion, factorization, and square roots. Example 1. Make y the subject of formula in each case. Part A. 2y minus 3x is equal to 5. Part B. 3 into 2y minus 3x is equal to 4 plus ay. Solution. Part A. 2y minus 3x is equal to 5. Required to make y subject of formula means y must be expressed in terms of unknowns and constants. Send 3x on the other side, we obtain 2y is equal to 5 plus 3x. Cross multiply, y is equal to 5 plus 3x over 2. Here we have made y subject of formula. Y is expressed explicitly in terms of other unknowns and constants. Part B. 3 into 2y minus 3x is equal to 4 plus ay. Required to make y subject of formula means to express y in terms of other unknowns and constant. So first step 1, we expand the brackets. We obtain 6y minus 9x is equal to 4 plus ay. Step 2, all the terms that contain y are sent to the left hand side. So we obtain 6y minus ay is equal to 4 plus 9x. Step 3, factorize. We obtain y into 6 minus a is equal to 4 plus 9x. Cross multiply, we obtain y is equal to 4 plus 9x over 6 minus a. So we have made y subject of formula. Y is equal to 4 plus 9x over 6 minus a. Example 2. Make y the subject of formula in each case. Part A. 2y minus bx divided by ay minus 4x is equal to 2 over 3. Part B. By plus 2x divided by 3y minus ax is equal to 3 divided by 4. Solution part A. We have 2y minus bx over ay minus 4x is equal to 2 over 3. So step 1, we cross multiply. So we obtain 3 into 2y minus bx is equal to 2 into ay minus 4x. Next step, expand the brackets. We obtain 6y minus 3bx is equal to 2ay minus 8x. Now required to make y subject of formula. All the terms that contain y are sent to the left hand side. So we obtain 6y minus 2ay is equal to minus 3b on the other side becomes 3bx minus 8x. Next step, we have 6y minus 2ay is equal to 3bx minus 8x. Factorize required to make y subject of formula. So here y common. We obtain 6 minus 2a is equal to 3bx minus 8x. Next step, cross multiply. Y is equal to 3bx minus 8x divided by 6 minus 2a. So we have made y subject of formula. So here y subject of formula means y is expressed in terms of other unknowns and constant. Okay, y subject of formula. Solution. Part B required to make y subject of formula. So part B, by plus 2x over 3y minus ax is equal to 3/4. Required to make y subject of formula. So first step, by plus 2x over 3y minus ax is equal to 3/4. So first step, cross multiply. We obtain 4 into by plus 2x is equal to 3 into 3y minus ax. Next step, expand the brackets. We obtain 4by plus 8x is equal to 9y minus 3ax. Terms in y are sent to one side. So required to make y subject of formula, all the terms that contain y are sent to the left hand side. So we obtain 4by minus 9y is equal to minus 8x minus 3ax. Next step, we factorize y common. So y into 4b minus 9 is equal to minus 8x minus 3ax. Next step, we cross multiply. So we obtain y is equal to minus 8x minus 3ax divided by 4b minus 9. So we have made y subject of formula. Example 3. Make x the subject of formula in each case. Part A, we have y is equal to 2x minus 3. Part B, we have y is equal to 3x plus 7 divided by 2x minus 1. Part C, y is equal to square root of 4x minus 1. Solution. Part A, we have y is equal to 2x minus 3 required to make x subject of formula. So y is equal to 2x minus 3. So minus 3 sent on the other side becomes plus 3. So 3 plus y is equal to 2x. Required to make x subject of formula. So we cross multiply by 2, we obtain x is equal to 3 plus y divided by 2. Part B, we have y is equal to 3x plus 7 over 2x minus 1. Required to make x subject of formula. So y is 3x plus 7 over 2x minus 1. We cross multiply, we obtain y times 2x minus 1 is equal to 3x plus 7. Expand brackets, we obtain 2xy minus y is equal to 3x plus 7. Required to make x subject of formula. Next step, all the terms that contain x are sent to the left hand side. So we have 2xy, 3x on the other side becomes minus 3x. So we have 2xy minus 3x is equal to 7 plus y, or y plus 7. So y plus 7. So here we factorize. We factorize x common. We obtain x into 2y minus 3 is equal to y plus 7. So x, we cross multiply to obtain x is equal to y plus 7 over 2y minus 3. So here we have made x subject of formula. This means x expressed in terms of other unknowns and variables means x subject of formula. Solution part C. Y is equal to square root of 4x minus 1. Required to make x subject of formula. So first step, square on both sides. We obtain y square is equal to 4x minus 1. Next step, make x subject of formula. So minus 1 is sent to the other side. We obtain y square plus 1 is equal to 4x. Next step, cross multiply. We obtain x is equal to, or y square plus 1 over 4 is equal to x. So x is y square plus 1 over 4. Here x is expressed explicitly in terms of other unknowns and constants. So we have made x subject of formula. Evaluation sheet. Example 1. Make y the subject of formula in each case. Part A, ay minus 3x is equal to b. Part B, 4 into 2y minus ax is equal to 4 plus by. Example 2. Make y the subject of formula in each case. Part A, ay minus bx over 3y minus cx is equal to 2 over 3. Part B, ay plus bx divided by 4y minus 2x is equal to 3 over 5. Example 3. Make x the subject of formula. Part A, y is equal to 2x minus a. Part B, y is equal to 3x plus 7 divided by 4x minus 2. Part C, y is equal to square root of 4x minus a. Consolidation sheet. Example 1. Make y the subject of formula in each case. Part A, by minus ax is equal to 2. Part B, 2 into ay minus 3x is equal to 4 plus 3y. Example 2. Make y the subject of formula in each case. Part A, 3y minus bx over ay minus 4x is equal to 3/4. Part B, ay plus 2x over 2y minus ax is equal to 3 over 5. Example 3. Make x the subject of formula in each case. Part A, y is equal to ax minus 7. Part B, y is equal to ax plus 7 over 2x minus 1. Part C, y is equal to square root of 4x minus a.